How to create a blog on Wix step by step for beginners. Now, to create a blog on Wix, you need to have a blogging website. So, whenever you are creating a Wix website, it would have asked you to choose a category where you must have selected a blogging website. In my case, I selected blogging website. So, it says, let's set up your blog. If you selected e commerce, it will say, let's set up your store or something like that. You can always add a blogging tool or plugin by always going to the site and the app section right here to be able to add those applications. Now, if you already have a blogging website right here, now you want to create a blog, you can go to the blog option. Here you can see a couple of options. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new post. So we'll select the post option right here and we will simply create a new blog right here. So you can click on the create a new post option right here, and then you can simply go ahead and then give the title of your basically whatever you want to write over here. Right now, what you want to do is, if you want to go ahead and then now add some descriptions, you can go ahead and then do that. You can start writing a blog post and the details by adding some pictures from somewhere. You'll be able to add some SEO optimized tools. You can also add with some of the AI tools that are available for them, and you'll be able to write your blog. And then you can also have a preview of what your blog is all about if you go ahead and then view them in the publish section. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.